I will be doing a super fast reverse pink and white French with my natural pre-etched tips. This tip is really fast. There is no tip preparation and you just glue it on. This is so much faster than a traditional tip. I will also be using extra adhesion nail liquid, a non-yellowing nail liquid, Mauvelous Mauve Prisma acrylic, Whitest White acrylic, Tip and Repair glue, a super strong nail glue, Top Gel Plus, a non-yellowing high gloss top gel, a large oval Kolinsky brush, and towelettes to cut down on odors and keep my brush clean. The nail has been prepared. Now I'm going to glue on the tip. Apply your Tip and Repair glue to the well. Then tap off the excess and rock it on with a slight angle down. This gives a prettier shape. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Nice and secure. Shorten the nail with 1 cuts to your desired length. I will be doing an almond-shaped nail, so I will first start by cutting the sides of the tip. This makes it easier to file. I will be using my 180 grit disposable zebra file to file the nail. This is really easy, and you can have a new file for every client. It's very sanitary. Just stick it on. Then you just peel it off when you're finished. To shape my almond, I'm going to hold my file almost flat underneath the free edge. Go back and forth till it's flush. Then I'm going to take my file and go around my edges so it's nice and even. Now I'm going to blend the seam. Make sure the tip is flush with the natural nail. Super easy. This takes a couple seconds. Now I'm going to dust off the nail with my plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply my first coat of primer. And then I'm going to let it dry. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer. So my primer is wet when I apply my acrylic. This promotes adhesion and eliminates lifting. I will only be using 3 balls, 2 balls on the nail bed and 1 ball on the free edge. We don't need 4 balls since we have the thickness of the tip. The first ball creates the smile line. Dip your brush in. This is going to be a small to medium ball. Dip it all the way in. Wipe it away from you. Drag towards you in your powder. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed. Let it flow. Pat it flush with the natural nail, patting it out towards the free edge. And take the tip of your brush and create your smile line. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to use our file to make it perfect. Very easy. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in. This is going to be your cuticle and stress ball, a medium to small ball. Place this ball a 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow, and then very lightly stroke it out. Now we're going to let it dry so we can file our nice almond-shaped smile line. Now I'm going to file a perfect almond smile. Just set your file up against your little smile line there. File it just how you like it. Very easy. Make sure you have an even and high wall so when you apply your white, you will have a really sharp smile line. Dust off the nail with a plastic manicure brush. Apply the white free edge ball. This is a medium ball, and you place on the tip overlapping the pink. Make sure the white is slightly higher or even with the pink, so when you file, you will have a perfect smile line. Dip your brush in, wipe it away from you, drag towards you, get a medium-sized ball, place this out on the tip, and then with the tip of your brush, get a little bit of liquid here, going to push it down into the corners of that smile. Do that on both sides. Again, don't worry because you're going to be filing that white off the pink. And just stroke it out towards the tip. Very easy. Just make sure you have it all the way down into that corner to make a nice sharp smile. Now I'm going to file in 5 steps, and this is my favorite part because right now, being a perfectionist, I'm looking at this going, oh my gosh, that looks like such a mess. But it's like magic. When you file it, it is so beautiful. So step number 1, straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, straight out from the nail groove on the right. Step number 3, shape the tip of the free edge. This is an almond, so I hold my file almost flat. Go straight across until it's nice and even. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Nice long strokes. File down on the side, across the top, down on the side. You can see that smile line coming through. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get it nice and flush around that cuticle area. Acrylic, natural nail, cuticle. So you're going to have a nice little road, so it's flush. The product's flush all the way around that cuticle area. Down on the side. Across the top, down on the other side. Get it nice and even. Beautiful. Look at that. That is so fun. My 5th step in filing is turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. You always want to make sure the nail looks perfect from the client's angle because this is what they're going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. Now I'm going to use my disposable clean finish buffing file. Just peel off the back and stick it on. Super easy, sanitary, just peel it off and throw it away when you're all done. Buff the nail in nice long strokes. Down on one side, across the top, down on the other. Go around the cuticle area. Get it nice and flush, nice and smooth. Out towards the tip, around the edge. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus, super high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Nice long strokes, cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia, and I will be using gardenia. Now we have an almond shape reverse pink and white French nail with a natural pre-etched nail tip. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.